Hello everyone. If you want to install the Play Store on your PC and download applications from it, this video is specially for you. In this video, I will show you the complete process of installing the Play Store on your PC. The first requirement for downloading the Play Store on your PC is that you must have Windows 10 or Windows 11 installed. To download the Play Store on your PC, first search for Control Panel in the Windows search box. Open the Control Panel from here. Now open Programs and Features. On the left side of the screen, you will find an option of Turn Windows Features on or off. Open it. Scroll down and find the option Virtual Machine Platform. Check mark it. Then check mark Windows Hypervisor Platform. And thirdly, search for Windows Subsystem for Linux. And also check mark it. Click on OK and this will apply the changes you made. The system will ask you to restart because Windows needs to reboot your PC to finish installing the requested changes. So click on Restart now. After restarting your system, now it's time to install the Play Store on your PC. To install the Play Store on your PC, first open your Chrome browser and search WSA builds. Open this website. Scroll down. There will be versions for Windows 11 and Windows 10. You will see two types of Play Store versions, a pre-release version and a stable version. You need to download the stable version. For downloading the Play Store on Windows 10, click on this link, and for Windows 11, click on this link. A new page will open. Now scroll down. Click on the first link here and this will automatically start downloading the Play Store. The file will be downloaded in a zip format, so you need to extract it. For this, you need a software called WinRAR. If WinRAR software is not installed on your PC, simply go to your Chrome browser and download it. We will also attach a link to this website in the description. Then right click on your downloaded file and you will see an option of WinRAR and click on Extract Files and click OK. After completing the process, a folder will be created with the same name as the zip file. Open newly created folder. You will find another folder, so open it as well. Then you will see many options. Scroll down and choose this Run option. Then right click on Run option and click Run as Administrator. Click on Start menu and select All apps. Scroll down and you will find the Play Store. To add the Play Store to your desktop, drag and drop it. Now open it and sign in. Enter your email address and password to log in. Now select the app you want to download on your PC and click install. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for your time.